Hi, welcome back to another video. We're going to do something a little bit different today. On my Pinterest board, that is what it looks like. Those are my albums where I save any nails, nail sets, etc., patterns, what I want to do on nails, recreate or try something new. Now, anybody can look at those. They are public, so my username is the same as my channel name. So please do go on and have a nosy. You can make boards yourself and save any of the pictures that I've saved. So today we are going to do Minnie Mouse. I've had it saved for a long time and I just thought I'd have a go. That's it. Gonna have a go at it. So I'm following like a tutorial picture which is on Pinterest. And yeah, let's get started. On this tip I have put 2 coats of this Beetles gel, which is 890, and then I've matte top coated it with Aimeili's matte top coat. I've also drawn on the outline of the Minnie Mouse that you saw on the picture, and yeah, let's get started. I'm going to start off with this gel, which is called Monotonous, and it's a Model 1's gel. Really nice, like a lilac-y purple colour. So this is going to be for the face. In that picture that I showed you, that tutorial picture, they've done like a chrome face, but I haven't got a chrome as bright as that. I actually gave my chromes away to Les, so I need to get another chrome. So I sort of got out another one which was called gold chrome, but it wasn't the same as a silver chrome, like not silver hollow, so it did like dull the face down a little bit, which I was a bit disappointed with. So that'll go into the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm going to put a bit of top coat on there, and then we're going to cover that face with top coat, and then that will go in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right, as I said, I've got this one which is gold chroma. It's definitely not the same as what they've used in the picture. It's giving it a sheen, as you can see, but not quite the same. They did a proper silver hollow chrome on the face, but it did the job. That was all. So once I've rubbed that in, give it a quick brush off, and then we're going to go over that face again with top coat to seal that in, and then pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, next up we are going to use another Aimeili colour, which is 007. Sorry, siren going by. This is going to be for the ears and the outline of the head. So I will leave you to watch this bit. And that's been cured for 30 seconds. Next up, I'm just going to put the mouth in there with that black. And then we're just going to do the line which goes above the nose. Now I made a little mistake there by using the brush. What I wanted to do realistically was use a dotting tool to get a circular nose, which is much easier than doing it with a brush, I find. That's gone in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So next up we're going to use a bit of white from Aimeili, which is 011. And we're going to do the white parts of the eyes and then pop that in the lamp to cure. And now we're going to go back to the black and we're just going to outline those white bits of the eyes with a wobbly hand, might I add, because my hand was shaking by the time I'd finished. Just going to pop a small circle in there for the eye. And next up I'm going to use a little bit of this Benelisa colour, which is called Cinderella, and we're going to do the top part of her dress. I've put some dots on it as well, and the last thing to do on there is just go over the whole lot of the painted image with some top coat. I'm going to do the ears separately with top coat with a detail brush because I don't trust myself. I want the blue background to stay matte, so I'm going around the edges quite carefully with that top coat. Then that will go into the lamp to dry for 30 seconds. Dry, cure, more like. Don't know what's wrong with me. And then once that's done, I didn't want to paint a bow on because I didn't want to cover the ears up completely. So I thought I'd dig out a bow from Charlie's Nail Art, and I just popped a bow on there with a little bit of gem glue once I'd cured the top coat. So I'm just going to pop a bit of gem glue on there. I'm sorry, the dogs are barking. And then we're just going to pop that little silver bow on. And then that'll go in the lamp for 40 seconds to cure, and then that is done. See the face? It's slightly too dark. I needed it to be that silver hollow colour which is in the picture. But I'm sort of happy with it. Relatively, I suppose. But anyway, I'll leave a photo at the end, and thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget, if you want anything from Charlie's Nail Art, please do use my discount code.